Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your meeting background in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic feature that helps you maintain professionalism during video calls, whether you're working from home or just want to hide a messy room behind you. Let's dive right in. First, let's find any meeting on your Teams calendar and click Join. This will take you to the pre-join screen where you can prepare before entering the call. It's always a good idea to use this moment to check your setup rather than rushing straight into the meeting. Now, it will direct you to a new window where you can set up your audio and video before joining the call. This is your preparation area where you can ensure everything looks and sounds good before anyone else sees you. Take advantage of this screen because it's designed specifically for last-minute adjustments. First, you need to open your camera by clicking the camera icon if it isn't already on. Once your video feed is visible, you can now click on Background Filters. This button is usually represented by an icon that looks like a person or a filter symbol, and it's located in the Pre-join Settings area. Clicking it will open up all your background customization options. You can click Standard Blur to blur your background. This option is perfect if you simply want to soften what's behind you without completely replacing it. The blur effect keeps the focus on you while making your surroundings less distracting. It's subtle, professional, and works well in most situations. You can also click Add New to add another background image. This option lets you upload your own custom images, which is great if you want to use your company logo, a branded background, or even a personal photo that suits the tone of your meeting. Simply browse your files and select the image you want to use, or you can select from the library of Microsoft Teams. You can click on any of these preloaded backgrounds to see a preview of how it will look behind you. Teams offers a variety of professional and casual options from office settings to nature scenes. Take a moment to browse through them and pick one that matches your meeting's vibe. The preview feature is helpful because it shows you exactly how you'll appear to others before you commit. Once you're done customizing your background and you're happy with how everything looks, click Join Now. This will take you directly into the meeting with your chosen background applied. Your new background will remain active throughout the call and you can change it again anytime if needed. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your meeting background in Microsoft Teams, giving yourself a more polished and professional appearance on video calls. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.